Hello, my name is Brian Feltz, and this is my .NET MAUI app that I created. I created it at Visual Studios 2022, but right now I have it deployed with Visual Studios Insider 2026. And normally when you upload it, there's no terms. I went through and added 2 template terms with start and end dates, and then these courses listed in here. I can go through and we're going to create a term number 3. And you can click on these. These are date time pickers. Let's just say February 2027, and we can do that, July 8th. There are required fields. Term is a required field, but I've already entered that. You can have up to 10 courses before you hit this course limit reached. Let's go ahead and remove this back down to, let's do 4. And I'll just name them 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we can see that it populated term 3 now. Let's click on a course. If you try and save it now, it's going to hit with the required field. So we have to actually enter in more information. We can leave these datetime pickers the same. These notifications are through the native device. So that's for start and end date notifications. Let's do this little drop down. We're going to do plan to take. This can't be null. So we're going to do test name. We're going to do a fake phone number. And then we're going to do a fake email. And then now it can save. And then, yep, we see all of our information still here. With notes, we have a add note page and a view note page. What's nice about this is there's sharing, and it shares natively. So what I'm doing here is I'm creating a little bit of a format so you can see when I share that it displays it as I typed it. If you wanted to delete, you delete inside of here. You don't slide to delete it, unlike the other slide to deletes within this application. I went to WGU, and at WGU we have OAs and PAs. So that's kind of how I created this app for assessments. So I did a PA1 and then an OA1, and then just to show you the functionality works, we're going to change this to OA2 to show that the updates work. Also, we can turn on notifications for OA1 and then show that that's still on. And last but not least, I will show deleting a course, just like that. And then I will show deleting a term, just like this. And that wraps up the functionality of this application. Thank you for your time.